So in today's video, we're going to talk about screen protectors. So when I put a screen protector on the Apple Watch, I tend to get it misaligned or I end up with bubbles. So today we're going to have a look at the Apple Watch Magic Box. This gadget promises to align your screen protector and keep it bubble free. So the device itself comes in this quite smart little box, but what I can't understand is why they've got a picture of a spaceman on it. For the life of me, I just don't get it. However, it does say something very useful on the back. It says, if you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future video uploads, which I can't really disagree with, and it makes perfect sense. Anyway, enough rambling from me. Let's see if this thing's any good. Okay, on to the unboxing. And this isn't an unboxing video, so I'm going to speed through this bit. So let's just get it open and see what's in it. Okay, so I found the instructions. They're in the box and there isn't actually any instructions. You have to scan a QR code and look at the installation guide. So I'll do that now and come back to you. Okay, so I've watched a short YouTube video and it seems fairly straightforward. So what we need to do is open the unit up and we'll take my wife's Apple Watch and we just slot it in there, and it says to push it down to make sure it's firmly in place like that, so it's fairly straightforward. We then take one of the cleaning packs so we can move the other two because it comes with two protectors. I need to open this up. This is going to be fiddly. And in here we get a towel, a cloth and a dust sticker. So let's open this up. Let's just give the watch a clean, a dry, and then we'll just use the dust removal sticker just to make sure if there's anything else on there. Okay, then we take one of the screen protectors here and you align it with the arrow pointing up to these hook bits at the end here. There's a little film underneath that needs to be kept out. So we hook it onto the number one there and then push it down onto number two. So this is a little bit fiddly. Certainly not as straightforward as it showed on the video, but I think we're there. Right, then you take this little plastic strip here, we remove that, push the lid down, close it firmly, and then slide the slider across the watch, and that is very tight. So slide it across, and then it says to slide it back, and that should be it. So let's remove this. Okay. So that's a protector on there, and it seems to have done a fantastic job. I can't see any bubbles at all, and it seems to be perfectly aligned. I can't even see the actual protector actually, so that has done, in my mind, a really good job. So, well worth it. They're available off Amazon. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Have you used it before? Is it something that you struggle with and are going to use this? And as I said earlier, if you've enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I next upload a video, which is generally every week. Thanks for watching.